হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, দিস ইজ সোমায়া ফ্রেন্ড। আজকে আমরা চলে আসছি রমনা পার্কে। কম বেশি আমরা রমনা পার্কের কথা সবাই জানি। আমরা এসে দেখলাম আমাদের সাথে রাজিনের দেখা হয়ে গেল। এন্ড হিয়ার ইজ রাজিন। হাই রাজিন।
Hello everyone, what's up? This is Rajin and you are watching Time of Rajin. And today's video is very interesting because in this video now I will show you Ramna Park. Finally, after taking exam, we have come here to visit Ramna Park so you can see the view. And apart from in front of me, she is my friend. We have come here to visit the Ramna Park. You can see here is a lot of people come here with their family, with their friends, and you can see they are spending valuable time and a happy time with their family, their friends, their favorite friends also. So you can see nice moment. They are taking pictures right now. So thank you so much all for watching this video and see you again with a new video. Till then, stay safe and be connected with Time of Rajin.